is my lifted Civic.
It's raining out. Time is called for Sawzall. We are free. Oh, I hammered the hell
People
out of it.
don't understand, like, people bring their cars to shops and they're doing this, but we had to literally handle this on a jack stand. This one should go in a lot smoother.
Should. Now you just jinxed it.
Yeah, this is gonna be, it's not gonna be fun. All right, let's get to it. Is that rust?
Yep, just fell off.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Nope.
To the right.
Seriously, look.
I know. To the right.
Gaping hole in the car now.
Really what we have to do is now that's like actually serious. This is what it's like working on an old car.
What we're gonna have to do for Rad Woods, we're gonna have to do the ghetto fix. And just put
Sticker?
No, a sticker will rip the rust off. What we're gonna have to do is get that mesh stuff and just put Bondo on it.
I'm gonna have to learn how to do body work. These jacks, all these jacks are not too bad at this point.
Well, you don't want to pull it too far because then you're gonna pull the axle out.
Yeah.
Right, take it. Go.
Put your hands.
Good. Okay.
We're in a pinch zone.
No, not.
This one sits a lot better than the other one.
Because I adjusted the camber already.
Can we get that bolt in?
How close am I?
Aaron, one more tap. Now you gotta tap. One more, just get one more. All right. Still fit in the garage though. Now what? How much height do we have? How much wheel gap?
Wheel gap is 7.5.
So yeah, we had to order because our original 2-bolt top hats were completely smoked. I checked online because we needed to get new bushings because the bushing kit doesn't come with the new top hats we ordered. But this one actually is compatible pretty much like anything from 1988 to 2000, all use the same bushing setup. So we have to take the bushings out of here, put them in the new ones, and then put the new ones on here. And that's it. We're still waiting on the other one because
Should be here later, but
we're gonna just pick it up tomorrow. So we gotta swap those out. I'm gonna smash it. Use 93 Honda Accord forks and struts, like I said before. One more to do. This is gonna be crazy when it's done.
to get this lift done, you need a lot of hammers.
Yeah, you need a lot of hammers and a bunch of strength.
Behind the scenes, I disconnected the tie rod and the sway bar.
Yikes, that's one thing that scares me about these freaking jacks, man.
Well, this one's yours. Mine never did that. The only reason your jack always does it.
What?
It's your jack.
Because I rolled it around a lot.
Yeah, you're not supposed to roll around a lot. Oh, let me make sure my shag carpet's okay.
Honestly, it's chenille.
Oh, hello.
Jeez Louise.
I always thought it was weird that the bolt went in this way, but that's why I took it off in the car, because I remember the threads always come to the back.
So we got the fourth bolt in. Wow, it's hard. I gotta stand up. I just lost all my leverage. And jack.
Hold on. There you go. Okay, well, that went in a lot quicker than whatever. And despite what people are probably going to say, like, why the top hat look crooked on the strut, it actually is supposed to be like that. Did not know that.
There's a little bend here. Fun fact.
Thank Honda Tech for
Oh,
that.
I'm panicking about this. If it's gonna, everything's gonna clear and.
Probably not.
Why are you saying that? I'm getting my hopes down. Most people get their hopes up. I get my hopes down.
Just installing the sway bar in link now. You don't want to use a crescent wrench to tighten those lugs?
Crescent.
like that meme, that girl tightening the lug nuts using a crescent wrench. So that is the lifted Civic so far. So we're gonna see how we get. How far?
That's not a good saying.
What?
We're gonna see how we get and how far.
Like how?
Where do you want these to be?
How crazy
stored
we get
in?
with this thing, and how far we can take it.
I panic about these types
Of situations.
situations. I have no faith in anything that I'm a part of. I have no faith in anything I do. That's why Johnny's here. Pretty much my whole life. Just takes care of me.
Yeah, dude, those off-road people, they look out the window and they back up.
He used to be a Jeep guy.
Brakes good.
Brakes good? This is so insane. I don't know if this was a good idea, if we're just really stupid or... I think we're really stupid, actually. This is what dumb people do to cars. This is what dumb people do to cars. This side looks way higher than the other side. Oh my goodness gracious. This is nuts. Lifted Civic? What?
I was about to shift.
You heard that though? The tuck, 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 tuck. That. Brake, 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 brake.
Why?
I'm here. Tuck, 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 tuck. All right, so we're heading back home. We have some. Is it the drive shaft? Sounds like it's coming from the front. Well, at least the brakes work. What? No. Just hear this horrible exhaust. So weird. Our neighbors probably think we're fucking insane. I just hear that exhaust rattling. Don't hear it. Can't hear it. I can't hear anything. We need some bigger tires on this thing. It looks ridiculous. Don't hear it. Do you hear it in the car? You do? I don't hear it out here. This is insane.
Put it back in the garage?
Yeah. At least it's like running, the brakes work. But it looks absolutely insane. We need to get some spacers and some bigger tires, but we got to figure out obviously a priority issue like this now. Because we have 30 days till Radwood. Hit that subscribe button in the right hand corner. Left hand corner, there's going to be some more Wagon Wednesday videos, and I hope you guys enjoy your Wagon Wednesday, because ours is probably going to be once again trying to fix this car and get it ready for Radwood. All right, later.